Funding from the Arthur Klinkacek grant will be used to help build and empower bilingual faith leaders in our communities. So the Hispanic and Latino communities will be able to have support for mental health. Those specifically that are primarily Spanish speaking would be able to have that support in case that they were struggling with a mental health crisis or just were wanting to reach out to somebody to address their mental health. Mental Health First Aid in Spanish is an evidence-based program, and it would help 3 bilingual faith leaders be able to go through the training and offer it in their church communities. So it would help equip and empower those faith leaders to be able to know how to respond to a mental health crisis when somebody comes to them. When someone is struggling in the Hispanic and Latino community, the person will typically reach out to a faith leader. And so what we're excited to be doing with local churches is partnering with them so that they have a bilingual faith leader who will do the train the trainer training in Spanish and know how to respond and how to refer families or individuals struggling with a mental health crisis and how to help them navigate the resources in our community. This program, it hasn't been brought to Kearney before. There's actually only one mental health first aid trainer in Spanish in all of Nebraska. And so this would really help fill that gap in our community. Over 9% of our population works, lives, and plays here in Buffalo County. So being able to provide this is really going to create a big impact for so many communities, specifically the Hispanic Latino community, the families, the children, and then it will really enrich our community to be able to provide that mental health support in Spanish. The Arthur Klinkacek grant was a grant opportunity that we saw that really helps align with the work that we're doing because Buffalo County Community Partners' mission is to build connections that count to promote and strengthen community well-being. So we saw this as an opportunity to help enrich all of the Hispanic Latino communities in Buffalo County, and so that's one of the ways that we saw this really work well with what the work is and the need is in our community.